Hi, I'm Belly, and I'm going to be showing you how to set an idle animation for when your VTuber model loses tracking. It's a super easy way to elevate your VTuber model, and it's something that people don't think about very often. But if you don't have one, your model just kind of awkwardly stares at chat. Anyways, let's get started. So what you want to do is double click so the pink gear icon does show up for you. Once you click that, if you go to the camera tab up here and scroll all the way down, you can see this area where it shows record live 2D animation. I usually have it set to 10 seconds. You can make it as long as you want, but there really is no need if you're just doing the simple little sleeping animation. So I'm gonna speed through this, but all you want to do is actually act like you're sleeping when your model's tracking you. Just close your eyes, kind of lean to the side. You can do whatever you want to do here, but for the sleeping effect. So all you have to do is hit start recording. And after the 10 seconds is up, it does record all of the parameters that changed and or moved during that animation. So you can hit this little play button right here to see what the animation looks like. And I'm pretty satisfied with that, so I'm going to change the name to Sleepy 4 just because I have so many practice rounds here for this recording. And you want to double click again, go back to the gear icon, go to the tab with the person and the little gear, and you'll see this section here under where you name your model, and it'll say idle animation. Underneath that, it will show, it'll say idle animation tracking lost, and you want to go and select the little animation that you made and whatever you named it as, and I named mine Sleepy 4, so I'm going to select that one. And I'm going to put it at 0.0 seconds. Basically, all this does is the amount of time it takes for the animation to start up after your model loses tracking. So I want it to start as soon as I walk away from my desk, let's say. And I'll show you, I'm going to cover my camera so you can see what it looks like. And yeah, it's super duper easy. Again, one of the things that you don't really think about when you start VTubing as a little elevation for your stream. It's super cute. It's free, which is important when it comes to VTubing. Very, very expensive hobby. And it's one less thing that you have to, ask your rigger to do for you. There are different options you can choose as, having more complicated idle animations, which is something that if you're not familiar with live 2D and the animation area that's within that application, then it's pretty hard to do, but you can learn. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please let me know. If you have any questions, definitely comment and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you have a good rest of your day.